Good morning guys, welcome to a new day. It's the second Christmas day here at Nusa Lembongan. To be honest with you, it's very different from what I'm used to, like snow, cold, winter. Here, sun, beach, blue water, it's very different. I have been sitting on these chairs for 1.5 hours. We've been waiting for the surf to come. No surf today either, a lot of wind, the waves are coming. The plan is to get some nice drone footage. I'm helping my friends making a little movie. Now we're grabbing a cup of coffee. Buggy! Du känner ikke han død, ja. Back from the surfing. Haven't been surfing in 6 months, so my nipples are sore, my belly are sore, my ribs are sore, so it's hard. We're now on our way to grab a cup of coffee. We're doing something very cool in 30 minutes. Since we're tired, we need a coffee to get through this day. Okay, so now over to the cool part. We're exploring this island. That's by itself, it's not so cool, but when you're doing it in a golf car, that's awesome. We only got one problem, is we ordered for 6 people and this one is for 4, so we just have to figure out if we can get a new one. Now we got the new car, it's the Super Go. So now this trip became even cooler. Look at this big supercar. Sudah siap? So we're now reached it's supposed to be one of the nicest places here on the island. Waar vi skal? join?
Vlog? You vlogging?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet dude. So do I.
Oh, nice.
Where are you from?
Norway.
Oh, nice. I'm from Australia.
Australia?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That's sick. I like your camera.
Yeah, thank you. Enjoy.
Yeah, you too, dude.
The atmosphere on this trip has been absolutely perfect. A lot of laughing, good atmosphere. Now we have reached a place called Dream Beach. This is the hotel lying here, and we have a private beach down there. Supposed to be a very nice pool here, and definitely it's a very nice pool here.